Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to disable photo auto-download when connected on Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. By following these simple steps, you can have more control over your media downloads and save your precious data. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Look for the three-dot menu located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on Settings from the options that appear. Step 4. Once inside the settings, select Storage and Data. Step 5. Scroll down and find the Media Auto-Download option. Step 6. Tap on When Connected on Wi-Fi from the available choices. Step 7. Now it's time to disable Photo Auto-Download. Just unmark the option for photos. Step 8. Finally, tap OK to save your changes. By following these steps, you can prevent WhatsApp from automatically downloading photos when you're connected to Wi-Fi. This can help you save on data usage and keep your gallery clutter-free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your hassle-free WhatsApp experience.